Welcome to our quick guide on how to block messages from a Facebook community member on your PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier than ever to manage your online interactions. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your favorite web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a familiar icon, the Messenger bubble. Go ahead and give that a click. Now that you're in Messenger, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Scroll down until you find the Communities section. Click on it, and then select the specific community where you want to block a member. Here's where the new update comes in handy. Look for the Block a Member option. It's usually located near the top of the community page. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen. On this page, you'll see a search bar. Type in the name of the community member you want to block. As you type, Facebook will suggest matching names. Once you see the correct person, click on their name. Next to their name, you'll notice a Block on Facebook button. Don't hesitate. Click it. Facebook values your privacy and wants to make sure this is what you want to do. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure about blocking this person. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the action. And just like that, you've successfully blocked messages from that community member. Remember, blocking someone means they won't be able to see your posts or contact you on Facebook. It's a powerful tool to help you maintain a positive online experience. That's all there is to it. With this new update, Facebook has streamlined the process, making it quick and easy to manage your community interactions. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay safe and enjoy your Facebook experience.